Hey, my investy besties, welcome back to Mommy Trader. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back. I really do appreciate you guys being here. So today we are going to be doing a step-by-step explanation on how to invest. Specifically in Robinhood, I am going to be buying 3 stocks today. We're going to be buying Verizon, Pfizer, and Coca Cola. And I'm going to really go through this step by step. Everything that I'm going to click on, I'm going to talk through so that you guys can maybe save this video for a reference later so that when you get started on your own investing journey, you can refer back to it and it can take the fear out of investing. So let's get to it. So as you guys can see right now, we are sitting at $15,024.03. Let's just do it like that because the market is open and it's moving. So let's do this. So when you are on Robinhood, guys, you see this little feather right here. Every time you click that, it will bring you right back to the main interface. So let's say you are on the site and you may get flustered or lost or confused. You just press this little feather right here and it will bring you right back to the main interface. Let's look down here. So you see down here you have the amount that your account is worth. Then you have right here how much your account is up for the day. So this account is up about $56.16 or about 0.38% for the day. If you come down here, it'll give it to you live. It's just basically really tracking instantaneous results from the stock market. But if you are a buy and hold investor, meaning you are buying for a year or more into the future, you know, you really don't have to really worry about too much about the live aspect. But if you click down here, this tells you how your account is doing based off the previous day. That's 1D. The previous week, which is 1W. The previous month, 1M. The previous 3 months or the last quarter, 3M. The previous year, that's 1 year. And all is how, you know, the length that you have had the account. So when I click all right here, this is how much this account has grown since I have had it. I did open this account at the end of September of 2020, so last year. So in that time, this account has earned about 54.56, almost 55% in gains. I mean, that's really, really amazing, guys. That's over $5,300 in just gains. So that's what this is down here for. We're going to put this back to 1 day. Buying power. Buying power is just how much money, how much capital you have at that particular moment to buy and sell stocks with. Now, you can trade on something called margin. Margin basically is a loan that the brokerage give you to maybe day trade stocks, which is getting out of a stock multiple times in 1 day. Now, you can be subjected to the PDT rule, which is the pattern day trader rule, and it's about $25,000 you have to have in your account to trade in and out, or you can trade 3 times in 1 week span. But again, if you are new, I suggest you do not day trade. I'm not a financial advisor, but day trading is very, 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 very risky. So as you can see, we have $150.16 today available to invest. You don't need a whole lot of money to invest, guys. I cannot stress that enough. You don't need a whole lot of money to invest. I have invested with $50, with $10, with $100. Whatever you have available to invest, every little bit adds up. Over here is all of the different stocks that we own. I do have a separate spreadsheet for this, which I will show you towards the end of this video, so you guys can see like the sectors, how I break it down, the returns we are expecting in terms of dividends and things like that. So stay tuned for that. That's towards the end of this video. So let's go ahead and buy some stock, right? Let's go ahead and buy some stock. So before you buy some stock, some of the things that I like to do is make sure that my money is over here so that I can buy, which is good. And like down here it's saying you can get more buying power with margin, but I'm not trading on margin or anything like that. I want to buy stock with money that I put over here versus borrowing money to do that, because a lot of times when you buy on margin or on this loan that they're giving you, and let's say the stock goes down, you still have to pay them that money back. And I just don't want to even have to think of doing something like that. So we're going to go to KO. So up here in the search bar, if you're trying to find a stock or a company, this is what you can do. You can either find it via the ticker or you can just type the name out. So Coca Cola, the ticker symbol for Coca Cola is KO. Now, the more that you start to invest, the more the ticker symbols will just come to you like automatically, guys. Because when I first started, I didn't know a ticker symbol from my right hand or left. But as I have been doing this for a couple of years now, I kind of know a lot of the ticker symbols by heart. But if you don't know the ticker symbol, like KO for Coca Cola, let me go back. You can just type in Coca Cola. Oh my goodness, I spelled that wrong. Oh my goodness, guys. This is real, right? Coca. Yeah, Cola right there. And it comes up. Brain freeze. Mommy brain, guys. Mommy brain. So you click it and it'll bring up Coca Cola. It'll bring up the name of the company. It'll bring up how much the stock is trading at currently, which is $54.46, and how it's doing for the day. So Coke is down about a penny or 0.01%. So you see the chart right here. I just want to move my face down here some. The chart is great because it allows you to see how the stock is trending over a period of time. So if you, and remember, all of these period dates down here is working backwards, not forward. So when you see one day, it's in the past day. You see 1 week, that's the past week. And it'll say it up here too, past week. 1 month, it'll say past month. 3 months, it'll say past. So just know that, guys, that when you are looking at the trending dates on the tracker, is talking about the past, not the present. Down here is where our market value is. So my particular stake in this company is down here. So currently we have $1,100.02. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness, guys. $1,102.83. Mommy brain. Invested in Coca Cola. We have a total return of about 5% or about 50 bucks, which isn't too bad. And our average cost, this is how much we paid to get into this particular stock on average. And this is how much shares we have. So we have 20.252111. You usually see this point, the numbers back here, when you start to see dividends being reinvested back into the company. And down here is just our portfolio diversity. That means how much Coke takes up our entire portfolio. So Coke takes up about 7.41%. So I'm going to buy 1 share of Coke. So you can buy Coke either in shares or dollars or any other stock. You can buy it in dollars. So sometimes you may have $20, as you can see, to buy some Coke shares. That'll get you about 0.3 shares, and you can buy it that way and just slowly build up your positions. Or you can buy in terms of shares. I'm going to buy 1 share of Coke today at $54.46. I'm going to press review. Let me move my face over so you guys can see down here. And then I'm going to click buy. It's going to process the order. Purchase. Tells you how many shares you purchased, your average price, and the total cost. And you should see it reflected down here below instantaneously. So that is how you buy a particular stock. If you want to sell, you're doing the same way, but opposite. You got to click up here, guys. So make sure you're clicking on the right one. So you click sell. You can say I want to sell in terms of shares or dollars. You put how much you want to do. It'll tell you how much you're selling for, and you click review order. Or if you want to sell all of your shares, click sell all, and it'll kind of execute the order right away for you. Now, if you want to buy limit order is basically saying, I want to buy Coca Cola at a specific price, and I do not want my order filled until it hits that price. So let's say I want to buy Coca Cola for $54.40, and I do not want my order to be filled unless Coke gets to $54.40. It will not process your order until it gets to that. So if you have a specific price in mind, limit orders are really great for you. Market orders is basically saying I will buy the stock at whatever price it is when I submit the order. So it's currently at $54.47. Well, 46 cents. If I press market order, I'm saying just get me the stock at whatever price it is, $54.46, and add it to my portfolio. I usually purchase stock in terms of market order because a penny or two won't make too much of a difference. You can set it and it'll do it at a later time, but what if the stock continues to go up? You just don't know. And so I just buy it at that point, and it's been really beneficial and profitable for me so far. As you guys can see, I show you my real numbers, I show you my accounts, and Yeah, but I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but I show you all of my information. I'm not just telling you what to do. I'm showing you what I'm doing as well. So let's go back. Let's click this little feather right here. We're going to go back to the main screen. We're going to buy 1 share of Verizon. So I'm going to type in the Verizon ticker, which is VZ. Or what you can do is you can type in the whole number, whole name, Verizon. So you can type in Verizon, it'll come up. Click on that. We're going to buy 1 share of Verizon. Now we currently have $95.70 left to purchase stock with because we just purchased the Coke. So we're going to buy 1 share for $56.31. We're going to review our order and click buy. You can also set up recurring orders for stocks like you see down here. I personally do not do that. I like having more control and say over when we purchase stock because let's say something happens on your banking side and Robinhood or M1 Finance or something like that goes to pull the money and it's not there and you get an overdraft fee and all this. I like kind of doing it manually myself. Plus, it's fun to invest and educate myself into and continue to learn about, this portfolio that we're building for ourselves for early retirement. So you're going to click done. As you can see, we have $39.38 left. We're going to go back to click our little feather. And as you can see, it did update. So now we have 9 shares of Verizon at $56.69. Let's click our little feather. And lastly, we're going to put some shares in Pfizer. Pfizer ticker symbol is PFE. But if you do not know how to do the ticker, like I said, right here, you can just type in the name, Pfizer, P-F-I-Z-E-R. Let's click on that. And because let's see how much money we have left. Oh, yes, we have enough to buy a whole share. Oh, not as much. We have $39.38 left. Pfizer is currently at $39.93. But this is where you can invest in dollars. So we have $39.38. So we're going to type in $39.38. We're going to buy that much worth of Pfizer. As you can see, it's almost a whole share, but that's okay. We're going to review our order, and we're going to click buy. The order was placed, and it'll be purchased, and it was done. So as you can see, it's reflected down here, 13.56 shares at an average cost of $38.19. So that's the video, guys. I really wanted to go through this step by step to show you guys how to do this. I'm going to take you over into the spreadsheet that I use to track all of our dividend stocks so that you guys can see like the method behind the madness. So stay tuned. Hold on. All right, guys, so we are here in our dividend tracker for Robinhood. I created this to help me to, have some more insight and detailed information into the different stocks that we own in that account. And as you can see down here, I do this for like all of our accounts. So like I said, I'm just really like anal and ADHD when it comes to our investments and our finances, and I really actually enjoy doing this. So as you guys can see, I have the names of all the companies, I have the ticker symbols, I have the sectors right here. Sector is really important because you want to make sure that you are well diversified, that you're not just investing in one sector or one industry. You want to make sure that you are well diversified so that if one sector goes up, you have your other sectors kind of keeping your account afloat. We have the shares we have here, our short-term share goals, and we've met a lot of these already. I have to go back and update a lot of this, the current price, average paid. And right now, if we decided not to invest any more into this Robinhood account, we're going to get $591.58 in dividends this year if we don't add any more to this. But you guys already know we're going to continue to invest, continue to add more. Compound interest is your friend. The longer you invest, the more time your money has to sit there and continue to grow for you, and so that you can accomplish all of your financial goals, guys. So that's the video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed the step-by-step invest with me in our Robinhood account. Remember, guys, every little bit counts. Do not doubt yourself or the ability that you have by getting started on this financial journey. It took us 6 years to get here, guys. So if you are getting started, stay focused, motivated, be encouraged. There are a lot of people here rooting for you, myself included. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, follow me over on Instagram. If you're interested, open up a Robinhood account. Referral link is in the description box below. Thank you guys again so much for watching. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.